In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nest components inside other components in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and head into the designer. Before you build anything, it helps to understand the goal of this workflow. Nesting components lets you place a smaller reusable element inside a larger reusable structure, which makes your design system cleaner, faster to update, and much more consistent across your site. The first thing you want to do is create your components in the right order. Start by building the atomic, or child, component first. A good example would be a stylized button that you know you'll want to reuse in multiple places. Once that element is ready, right-click it and choose Create Component. After that, give it a clear and descriptive name, such as Primary Button. Clear naming is important here, because once your component library starts growing, it becomes much easier to find exactly what you need. Next, create your larger structural element. This is going to be the parent component, so think of something like a card, a section block, or another layout container that will eventually hold the child component inside it. Once that larger structure is designed the way you want, convert it into your parent component as well. Now that both pieces are ready, you can place the child component inside the parent. On your canvas, double-click the parent component instance. This takes you into the main component editor. You'll know you are in the right place when you see the green border around the component. That green outline is your visual confirmation that you are editing the component itself, not just a regular instance on the page. While you are inside that editor, press Shift+A to open the Components panel. In the panel, locate the child component you created earlier, such as your primary button. Once you find it, drag it directly into the area of the parent layout where you want it to live. As you move it into position, watch for the blue indicator line. That line helps confirm exactly where the component will be placed, which is especially useful when you are working inside more complex layouts and want precise positioning. Once it's dropped into the correct location, your nested component setup is in place. This gives you a modular structure that's easier to maintain and reuse throughout your project. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.